2 natural ingredient juice to drink before bed to help you lose weight while you sleep. Did you know that you can lose weight while you sleep with just 2 ingredients? This simple juice recipe can help. Can a simple drink really help you lose belly fat while you sleep? I know it sounds like something from a magic weight loss ad, but today, you are trying out a recipe that claims you can lose weight overnight just by drinking a natural concoction before bed. This drink promises to make you feel lighter, reduce bloating, and help you shed pounds. But can it really work? You can make it and see if you wake up 10 pounds lighter. But you must stick around to find out if this is the secret recipe you have been waiting for. This easy recipe has been shared on TikTok and YouTube, and it is said to work wonders. It's apparently a fat-burning formula, and will only take you 5 minutes to make. Losing weight is something we all think about, right? You try so many different things, dieting, exercising, and even fasting, but the results can sometimes take forever to show. But what if you could start shedding those extra pounds overnight? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today, I will introduce you to a simple, 2-ingredient drink that's supposed to help you lose weight as you sleep. Can something so simple really help you lose weight in 2025? I'm about to show you how to make it, so let's get started. So, here's the drink, super simple, but with some powerful ingredients. It's been circulating on TikTok by a user named TopRecipes.1, and the results are pretty mind-blowing. You will need 1 to 2 medium-sized carrot, cut into pieces, 2 lemons, and 1.5 cups of water. Let me break it down. It's made from just a carrot and 2 lemons, with a little bit of water. Making this drink is so simple. First, chop your carrot into small pieces. Carrots are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They help with digestion, reduce bloating, and keep you feeling fuller for longer, which is great for weight loss. Then, slice up your lemons. Now, let's talk about lemons. Lemons are a powerhouse when it comes to weight loss. They contain citric acid, which helps speed up your metabolism, and they're packed with vitamin C, which supports fat burning. Lemons also help your body detox by promoting hydration and flushing out toxins. You need the juice of 2 to 3 fresh carrots to get about a cup of carrot juice. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon into it. Mix it up, and it's ready to go. Some say that drinking this juice before bed can help with weight loss. Lemons promote healthy digestion and can reduce bloating, a great bonus if you're looking to lose that stubborn belly fat overnight. You can place the chopped carrot and lemons into your blender with the water. Blend it for about 2 minutes until it's smooth and well combined. You want it to be a nice, juice-like texture. Once that's done, strain the mixture using a fine mesh or cheesecloth, pressing down to extract every last drop of the juice. The resulting liquid is your fat-burning drink. Now, let's talk about why these ingredients are so effective. First, carrots. As I mentioned, they're a great source of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes healthy gut function. The fiber helps keep your digestive system regular, which is key when you're trying to lose belly fat. But that's not all. Carrots also contain beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to fat metabolism. Next, lemons. Lemons are known for their ability to kickstart your metabolism. The citric acid in lemon stimulates the production of bile in the liver, which helps break down fat more effectively. In addition, lemon water helps with digestion and keeps your body hydrated, both of which are important for weight loss. Staying hydrated helps reduce bloating, and it's also great for keeping your skin clear and glowing. And finally, water is crucial. Many people mistake thirst for hunger, leading them to eat more than they need. Drinking enough water helps control hunger and supports the body's natural fat-burning process. Plus, it helps flush out toxins that could be causing your body to hold onto excess weight. Sounds easy, right? But why does this drink work? It's the combination of these ingredients, carrots, lemons, and water, that gives your metabolism the jump start it needs while you sleep. Okay, so how well does it actually work? Well, let's talk about some real people who've tried this drink. There are tons of testimonials online, and many people claim to have lost a few pounds in just 1 week by drinking this before bed. For example, one woman said she lost 12 pounds in 7 days just by drinking it every night. Another person said they dropped 8 pounds in 10 days. And it's not just about the weight. Many people on TikTok have reported feeling more energized in the mornings, less bloated, and more motivated to continue their health journey. They say they feel lighter, not just physically but emotionally, too. It seems like this drink helps not just with weight overnight but also with boosting overall well-being. There are countless testimonials on the internet from people who've tried this juice recipe and seen amazing results. And the science backs it up too. Studies have shown that carrots and lemon can have a significant impact on our weight loss journey. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try. So, does it work? I'm going to try this drink myself and report back with my results. Will I wake up feeling lighter? I'll keep track of how I feel and whether I notice any changes in my weight, bloating, or energy levels after a week of drinking this every night. Now it's your turn. Have you ever tried a drink like this? Or do you have your own nighttime weight loss tip that works for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any results you've experienced. Here are some tips to achieve the best results if you wish to lose stubborn belly fat in 2025. Stick to a healthy lifestyle. Pair this drink with balanced meals and regular movement during the day. Be consistent. Drink this fat-burning drink every night before bed for a week and see how you feel. Stay hydrated. Water helps your body flush out toxins, too. Unlock the potential of a simple nighttime drink that may enhance your weight loss efforts and promote overall well-being while you sleep. So, what do you guys think? Are you ready to give this simple juice recipe a try and start losing weight overnight? Let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions or if you'd like to share your own experiences with weight loss juice recipes. This juice drink is truly a game changer. Not only is it ridiculously easy to make, but it's also packed with natural ingredients that can help you lose weight and feel more energized. So what are you waiting for? And the best part? You don't have to do any crazy workouts or dieting, just drink this juice before bed and let your body do the rest. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest health and wellness videos. Check out my video on bay leaf tea health benefits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.